Hey, hi everyone. I believe that you are a Java developer. If you are watching this video, I am with the assumption that you are a Java developer and you have a basic idea about how comparator used to work before Java 8. The main intention behind making this video is when I am taking interviews to the people, like many of them know how comparator works, but the problem is they are unable to explain it. See, whenever you attend an interview, if you are Java, technically, if you are attending an interview, nobody cares about your grammar. They basically look at the confidence and the technical knowledge you have. So, like, I don't know why people were unable to explain when I have asked this question to many people, like how Java comparator used to work before Java 8, and what is the benefit of Lambda, like how comparator is working, making use of with the help of Lambdas. So, in this video, I would like to explain like how to give an answer when this question is asked in the interviews. So there is uh, basically whenever an interview asks a question like how this works, like comparator works, you just need to uh, my approach how I would go with the answer is I would first explain him how comparator used to work before. Like if you see here, how comparator used to work before Java 8 and how comparator is now working if we are making use of lambdas, how it would work. If you see here, you can directly see a comparator example before Java 8, like how we used to write. Basically, we used to create a new comparator of our own class. We used to override the compare method where we pass two objects, and based on the parameter on which you want to compare, we used to compare that. Now, if you see here, comparator example after Java 8 using lambdas, the code is that we have directly cut short the code here. This can be even further cut shorted. I will show that in the next line. Directly we can give like comparator by name and directly objects or object 1, object 2, and object 1 get name compared to object name get 2. That's it. So here, the if you see if you compare the two things, we can see like lot of code has been cut shorted here, like writing of new comparator and all those things override, the red override has been gone, and the compare method itself has been gone here. So that is the benefit what we can get. See, if here are the few example, uh, like how we used to write comparators before Java 8. So when sorting is changed, we need to pass a new anonymous class like below. Like for every time, if you are sorting with age, if you are sorting with name, if you are sorting with salary. So these are the three basic examples I thought of explaining here. So collection dot sort of the list, what the array list, whatever list we have, we will pass to that again. The sort method will take two parameter. One is the list and another is the comparator. In the comparator, we'll again we need to pass all the three different comparators. Like if you want to sort it by age, you pass the age comparator. If you want to sort it by the name, you will pass the name comparator. If you want to sort it by salary, you will pass the salary thing. uh, like this is a bit of coding, the extra lines of there was some pain, because if you see there is a common thing here. Like if you see the second parameter of sort method, the new comparator of the class and all these things are static. This will be always there. The only change here was the return statement. Return, if you're comparing with age, that we used to get the age. If you're comparing with the name, we will get the name. Only the difference is only one line here, but all the other lines are same. So what we can do using lambdas is we can remove that extra coding, like all the generic coding whatever is there, we can directly remove it like this. So see here, if you see the same example what I have explained earlier, the same thing I have cut shorted here. Directly if you want to sort by age, employee list dot sort object 1, object 2, directly object 1 dot get name minus object 2, or directly even you can see further simplify it as employee list dot sort o1 comma o2. You can give any naming here. I have given o1 object 1 and object 2 left, and directly object 1 dot get name minus object 2 dot get age. See how much code we have cut shorted. Simple in one line, the comparator, entire comparator logic we have written here. So basically I would like to say you people, like if somebody is asking you the comparator question in the interview, first explain them how it used to work before Java 8 and how it can be simplified after Java 8 with the help of Lambdas. That's it from my end. Hope you it would have helped someone. चलो राइट निकलते हैं अपन, तो अपना हो गया आज का काम. चलो रे चल चल.